So I'm graduating Lawrence with a degree. I'm also graduating Lawrence with a functioning business, which is really cool. Yeah, I'm so ecstatic about that.
It's really one thing that I cherish about Lawrence University is that, intimate space where you can really have these one-on-one conversations with professors. It's all about teaching and academics, but there's also this aspect of, relationship and actual like giving advice to your specific niche or business idea.
I've not felt limited with this major. They've basically said, whatever you want to do, we can make it happen to make it matter for you.
Where you can actually take your business plan and your ideas in creating that business and implement it into the coursework. And it just felt empowering.
And there are so many ways to make your vision a reality. It really fosters a community where you can do something so simple, but then also something so complicated and have so many helping hands helping you along the way, which is amazing.